So let's say what you want to do is you want to go around and invite out other teachers to teach with you in your classroom in the Google Classroom that you have. In that case, what you can do is you can go around and open up a Google Classroom right here, just like this. And then what you can do is you can go around over here under the people section over here. And once you do that, over here you can find the teachers section, where you can go around and click on the plus button over here in the invite teacher section. So once you do that, over here what you can do is you can go around and invite out the teachers right here, but it has to be Google accounts. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and invite out these people right here, or you can also go around and type in the email address right here if you want. So I'm just going to go around over here and invite these 3 people in invite teacher section. And then I'm going to go around and click on invite. And what happens is that the teachers will be invited over here, just like this, as you can see. So over here in the teacher section, you can go around and email them and remove them over here, just like this as well, just by clicking on this. And you can expand and collapse this out right here. And whoever has joined, it'll show up in colorful format with profile picture. But if they're just invited, then you'll get this grayscale format right here, which lets you know that they have been invited, but they haven't accepted the invitation to teach the classroom with you yet. And that is how you can go around and invite teachers in your Google Classroom so that they can teach with you. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe